Hello everyone, this is Tim from Arcana. Today's MEVO White Belt training video is on the two-stage deployment model. In the two-stage provisioning model, you would provision your router as normal. However, once the initial tunnel comes up, MEVO will then SSH into the remote site, and by doing so, it will be able to push another configuration to the device. This essentially allows us to swing the tunnel over from one endpoint to a different set of endpoints. By provisioning the router through this way, we can ensure that the entire transport from the remote site to your data center is fully encrypted and only going through your VPN tunnel. This allows us to essentially hide the provisioning flow from the internet, but what it really allows us to do is it allows us to start introducing different types of security that normally we would be a little bit more limited because the normal provisioning method only uses RSA-based certificates. This method, for example, would allow us to use EC certificates instead. So in order to set up a two-stage architecture, first, we would provision the spoke router as normal, so this would go over through the internet. MEVO can then SSH to the remote device, and we would push the configuration to the device, allowing us to connect to our intended destination with our new set of security settings. If you have any questions about the two-stage deployment model, let us know.